in this question we have to find equilibrium point. The task is to find equilibrium point. And what is equilibrium point? It is that point before sum of all elements of that point is same as sum of after the elements of it. Let's see. Suppose this is an array. This is output 3. Means at index 3, the sum of all elements left to this index is same as the sum of all elements to the right of this index. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So output is 3. 2 plus 1, 3. It is 0 base indexing. And we want output in 1 base indexing. So we will find 2 and we will do increment by 1. So we have to find that index through which the sum of left of all the elements is equal to the sum of right of all the elements. So what we will do? We will take 2 pointers. Suppose left sum is initially 0 and right sum is, what will be the right sum? It will be the sum of total elements of the array. So 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, plus 2, 11, plus 2, 13. So we will take 2 pointers. First, left sum is equals to 0 and right sum will always be the sum of all elements of the array. Now, what we will do? We will check that if left sum is equals to right sum or not. Currently it is not equal. Then what we will do? We will subtract 0th element index from the right sum. So 13 minus 1 is equals to 12. And still we have to check if right sum is equals to left sum. 0 is equals to 12 or not? No. And this is when I is equals to 0. We will run a for loop through all the elements of the array. And here left sum is also 0. So right sum is not equals to left sum. Now when I is equals to 1, then at this time what we will do? Add ith is equals to 0th index to left sum. So it will become 1. Now check. Left sum is equals to right sum? No. So right sum is equals to, we have to minus the right sum, which element which is index 1. So 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9. Now check. Left sum is equals to right sum. 1 is equals to 9? No. Then move forward. Left sum is equals to left sum plus element of index 1, that is 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. Now I is equals to 2. RS is equals to minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now check. Left sum is equals to right sum. Then we have to return I plus 1. 2 plus 1, that is 3. So output will be 3. Now see another example. Initially, left sum is equals to 0 and right sum is sum of all the elements in the array, which is 1. Now here I is equals to 0 because there is only one element. So what we will do? Right sum minus element at 0th position, which is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now check it. Right sum is equals to left sum. Yes. Then return I plus 1. So I is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. If there is no equilibrium point in the array, so then else we have to return minus 1. Let's see the code. First, what we have to do, we have to declare the left sum variable, which is initially 0, right sum, which is sum of the array. Now iterate the loop. Then do right sum minus equals to array of I. Now check the condition. If left sum is equals to right sum, then return I plus 1. After that, we have to increment left sum by the element of I index, and if there is no equilibrium point is found, then return minus 1.